Welcome everybody, Bob at Two Pops of Breaks. It is Wednesday, July the 21st. We are breaking Bombas full-size helmets. We just started our series tonight and we randomed up our 65 remaining boxes out of the 69. We got box number 68. We did random teams for it on the left. Teams and customers been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade at a few offers and nothing went down now. We're going to double check in just a second. All right, here we go. Well, if you're rooting for Indy, I would think you'd be wanting the Manning. All right, here we go. Wow, guys. There's only going to be a filler hit, folks. Unfortunately, it does come with $100 room credit, guys. But going to be a Charger hit, folks. With the Sean Merriman. Even these damn pants come out like that. Hang on, guys. Let me just stick that thing back in there. Bam! That is going to be the Sean Merriman Chargers, guys. I'm very sorry. Yeah, we got one of our fillers there, folks, but it does come with $100 room credit, guys. She is just a filler hit there, guys. I'm very sorry, but do got to get a couple of low ends in order to get all the big boys. And wow, man, that is going to be a Z hit, folks, on the bottom of our roster there. They said these are inlays, guys. They're friggin' painted on, so you can't really take them off. So otherwise, I would have swapped out the decals on that. But she does come with $100 room credit, folks, so that's really our first main filler hit, guys. See if we can get on to some more of our big boys here. All right, we got a 5, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. Bam, I got Damien and Z. All right, guys, we are in line for another monster here, folks. That is qualifiers 9 and 10, Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.